What? People are upset, okay?
Oh, no need to explain. I just thought you might be Monkey. He hides his almond cookies on the top shelf.
Don't tell Monkey.
Look at you.
Yeah, I know, I disgust you.
No, I mean, how did you get up there?
I don't know, I was getting a cookie.
And yet you are 10 feet off the ground and have done a perfect split.
No, this is just a accident.
There are no accidents. Come with me.
I know you're trying to be all mystical and kung fu-y, but could you at least tell me where we're going? You dragged me all the way out here for a bath?
And, we do not wash our pits in the pool of sacred tears.
Huh?
The pools. This is where Oogway unraveled the mysteries of harmony and focus. This is the birthplace